A very good morning to one and all. Today we are starting with a new GK lesson. Lesson number 30, National Sports. National sports are the integral part of the culture of every country. Each country has its own national sport, which is played most of the people of that country. For example, the national sport of India is hockey. Cricket, one of the most played games all over the world. It is a national sport of many countries. Cricket is the national sport of England, Australia, right? Now let's learn about some of the national sports. Before we start, most of the national sports are played in teams. Teamwork teaches all the players to share their joys and sorrows. It teaches them a lot of moral values. For example, they learn to coordinate with each other, they learn to win with each other, they also learn to lose with each other, right? They learn cooperation, they learn and teach many things amongst themselves. So, now let's learn about some of the national sports of some countries.
Yes, beta. Now let's start with the different national sports of different countries. First, Kabaddi. Kabaddi is the national sport of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a small country, a neighbor of India. Kabaddi is a contact team sport. That means it is played between two teams of 7 players each. It is played on a court which is divided into two, one half for each team. No equipment is needed for this sport. It is a contact sport. Do you know what it means? It means that it is played by body contact of the players. It is also called Hututu, right? So, Kabaddi is the national sport of Bangladesh. Next comes lacrosse. Lacrosse is the national sport of Canada. It is the summer national sport of Canada. That means Canada has two national sports. Lacrosse is the summer national sport, and the winter national sport of Canada is ice hockey. Lacrosse is a team sport played between two teams on a field. Each team has to score a goal by throwing the lacrosse ball into the opponent's goal. Lacrosse is played using a lacrosse stick and a lacrosse ball. Lacrosse sticks are long-handled racket-like crosses to catch, carry, or throw a ball down the field or into the opposite goal. So the national sport of Canada is lacrosse. Next is table tennis, also called ping pong, because it is played using a small ping pong ball. Table tennis is the national sport of China. It is played between 2 or 4 players using small rackets and lightweight balls or ping pong balls. It is played across a table which is divided into two in the center using a small net. So, table tennis is the national sport of China. Next comes cricket. Cricket is one of the most popular games across the world. Here, cricket is the national sport of England. It is a bat ball game played between two teams of 11 players each. The teams play on a field at the center of which is a 22-yard pitch, right? It is played using a bat and a ball, and the wickets, 3 wickets, are on each end of the pitch. Okay, yes. Next comes hockey, the national game of India. Hockey is the national sport of India, our country. Two teams play against each other trying to push a ball into the opposite goal using a hockey stick. Hockey stick is a long stick with a curve at the end. India has women and men hockey teams. So Mr. Sardar Singh is the captain of the Indian national team men's. Next comes sumo wrestling. Sumo wrestling is a form of competition full of full contact with each other. It is a full contact wrestling competition. In sumo wrestling, the idea is to force the opponent out of a circular ring or to touch the ground, except the feet. That means each player tries to push the other player either out of the circular ring or on the ground. Okay, for sumo wrestling, you have to be of a specified height, of a specified weight, and you have to eat lots and lots of calories every day to maintain that height and weight. One more thing, women are not allowed sumo wrestling. Sumo wrestling is the national sport of Japan. Again, sumo wrestling is the national sport of Japan. Is this clear? Okay. Next comes badminton. Badminton is the national sport of Malaysia. Badminton is the national sport of Malaysia. Malaysia also has another national sport, that is Sepak Takraw. Sepak Takraw is similar to volleyball or badminton, except in both the games, players cannot use their hands. Okay. Badminton is played on a court divided by a net in the center. 2 or 4 players can play this together. It is played using badminton rackets and a shuttlecock. Okay, so badminton is the national sport of Malaysia. Next comes rugby. Rugby is the national sport of Scotland. One more thing, Scotland also has another national sport, and that is golf. But rugby is also the national sport of Scotland, right? It is played using a rugby ball. A rugby ball is a oval shaped ball. It is carried in hands and the players try to put the ball into the opponent's goal, right? Next comes baseball. Baseball is the national sport of USA. It is a type of cricket, but it is played using a baseball bat and a baseball. Okay, it is played between two teams on a field and they all try to score runs as they score in cricket, right? Okay, I'm again repeating. Kabaddi is the national sport of Bangladesh. Lacrosse is the national sport of Canada. Table tennis is the national sport of China. Cricket is the national sport of England. Hockey is the national sport of India. Sumo wrestling is the national sport of Japan. Badminton is the national sport of Malaysia. Rugby is the national sport of Scotland. And baseball is the national sport of USA.
That was about the national sports of many countries, right? Now let's revise this lesson once more. Kabaddi is the national sport of Bangladesh. Lacrosse is the national sport of Canada. Remember, lacrosse is the summer national sport of Canada. The winter national sport of Canada is ice hockey. Table tennis is the national sport of China. Cricket is the national sport of England. Hockey is the national sport of India. Sumo wrestling is the national sport of Japan. Badminton is the national sport of Malaysia. Rugby is the national sport of Scotland. The national sport of Scotland is also golf, right? Baseball is the national sport of USA. Thank you. Bye bye.